What I wish I knew before I lost my car in the mall parking lot, and had no clue where to find it. First up, snap a photo of your rental car before and after using it. This can save you from pesky damage claims. Trust me, it's a game changer. Next, take a pic of where you park. No more wandering around huge lots like a lost puppy. Old man trick? Maybe. But it works. Keep images of your license plate and VIN handy. Perfect for parking payments, and heaven forbid if your car gets stolen. Speaking of IDs, photograph your driver's license and passport. It's a lifesaver if your wallet or passport goes MIA. Don't forget your auto insurance card. Digital copies are often accepted, but check your state's laws to be sure. Medical and dental insurance cards are next. Avoid billing hassles and have your info ready if emergencies strike. Got a printer or computer? Snap their serial numbers. You'll thank yourself when you need tech support or replacements. Individual photos of family members, especially kids, are crucial. Police recommend 3 current photos for each person. Better safe than sorry. Love traveling? Capture photos of places you adored and geotag them. Finding them again becomes a breeze. Also, a photo of your hotel or Airbnb can help taxi drivers get you home safe, especially abroad. Bank account and routing numbers are essential for quick action if suspicious activity occurs. And for easy phone payments. Lastly, photograph the front and back of your credit cards. It speeds up canceling lost or stolen cards. Don't forget to include customer service numbers. Store these photos in a dedicated album and use strong passwords to keep them secure. Ready to get snapping? Your future self will thank you.